Hey everybody, welcome back. We are now working on Tony's 1929 John Deere GP. Haven't really done a whole lot. It looks like we've done a lot, but we really haven't. Pulled the radiator off because that is, I don't know if you guys can see in there, probably not, but there's a lot of mouse nests in here. The lower water pipe was filled with mouse nests and the upper water pipe, but looking down inside the cylinder head here, I think we might be okay, but we're going to pull all this off just to make sure. And then we started scraping some of the grease off the top, and there's a lot of original green paint left on here, so we'll see. Maybe this will be a survivor that'll be left alone, but it all depends on what Tony wants to do with it because it's his tractor. So first things first, we got to get it cleaned up and running. So that's what we're working on now. And I got to charge the camera because it's got like 9% left. So let's get that done and we'll see what kind of progress we can make. Okay, well, we're going to take our first look inside the valve spring compartment, I guess. So go ahead, Tony, open her up. That looks pretty nice. A little bit of condensation surface goobled rust just from sitting probably, but the oil doesn't look too bad even. I mean, it's dark, but it ain't milky. It's not even that dark.
No, almost golden color.
Well, let's see if all the valves are free. I'm guessing they are. I don't think there'd be any reason why they wouldn't be.
Well, I'll roll it over. And...
Here, let's... You guys see in there? Probably, hopefully.
Maybe.
Now you're stuck too hard. Okay, we got one valve moving.
2, 3. Oh, look at that.
They're all moving.
Wow.
Sweet. All the valves move. All right, Tony, go ahead and lift off the crankcase cover. Oh my goodness. Catastrophe.
Wow.
No catastrophe. A lot of shims in the rods still.
Sweet.
You know what we should have done though before we did that?
What's that?
Vacuumed it off.
Oh, you're right. Still can.
But let's get the camera down in there.
Yeah.
You can see the back side of the cylinders. Oil's not milky at all.
Turn the crank.
I don't want to turn it yet because there's dirt on top of that.
Oh, gotcha.
We'll suck that off and then we'll turn it, but looks pretty darn nice in there.
Yeah, for being 94 years old.
We'll take it.
Yeah, can't complain.
Give it a couple cranks just to show you guys the crankcase in rotation. I don't hear any wobble. Hardly nothing in these crank connecting rods. How's that gear look over here?
Keep turning it.
Any missing teeth or chipped teeth?
Not that I can tell. Everything looks really, really good.
Good.
Yeah.
I think we're lucking out again. All right, we're going to see what it looks like inside the transmission casing. Don't dump any dirt down in there now.
Try not to. Doing my best.
Uh-huh. I don't see any chipped tooth yet, chipped teeth.
That's a good sign.
Oh, dang it. There's a chunk of gasket down in there.
Oh, good.
Looks pretty good. It's not milky. Of course, oil floats on water, so all the water would be at the bottom anyway, but looks pretty darn good. That's probably all the original safety wire.
Maybe I bet.
I think we got a winner. Spring's broken.
Yeah, I noticed.
But if that's the worst of your problems,
I think we're doing pretty darn good.
can't roll the gears over, but I think it looks good.
I agree.